It is the 20th of November 2020, closing in on 7 in the evening, and I figure it's time for an update on Pixie Pie, the bittersweet pie clone that a neighbor gave me. We had her down in the grow room for a while, but that's really not a good place for us to have stuff like this for the time being, because she ended up getting neglected and almost died. When we brought her back up, she had just a tiny crown here and a couple of real little ones further down, and most of the stem and leaves were all dried out. Fortunately, we have since, we brought her up to my room to keep for the winter, and hopefully she should recover. She already looks like she is coming back from the dead. Maybe we can, if this works out, we can be known as necroplancers. Anyway, we went ahead and instead of swapping out the original starting potting soil, after watering her, we just tamped it down and then added a bunch of better potting soil. We actually found it pretty cheap at a thrift store here, 2 8-quart bags for $2.95 a piece. It was Sungro Black Gold, and ever since then we've been watering her regularly and spraying her leaves and stem as well daily, sometimes twice a day, and she is on the road to recovery. This top crown has considerably grown, and we're getting a little more growth there, plus some of the smaller ones down here are getting bigger. And not only that, the stem was totally brown when she was brought up here, as well as a lot of these other leaves, and I was going to go ahead and maybe trim them. However, I'm not sure how well it's going to show up. I can see they are getting some green back in them. So we're just going to carry on as we have been and see if she's ready for planting or putting in a nice big pot to keep outside and bring in as needed next summer. Hopefully we'll also still get some clones off of her as well. That's all we got on her for now. Not sure when we can expect the next update. Just gonna keep nursing her back to health all winter here.